There comes a moment when a people can no longer remain silent, when truth demands to be seen. This series is the story of that moment, of a people rising, remembering who they are, and reclaiming what was taken. This is the awakening of a people. In every community, a divide emerges between those who see the truth and those still comforted by the illusion. Awakening changes everything. Some of us see deeper, past the noise, past the lies, past the surface, and once your eyes open, you can never go back. But not everyone wants the truth. Some fear it, some reject it, some run from it. Denial always feels safer until reality arrives. What we face wasn't born by accident. It was engineered, structured, built with purpose, and for generations it has done exactly what it was created to do. Every time we built something powerful, it was taken, burned, erased, not because we failed, but because ownership is power they couldn't allow us to keep. Some rise, but rise alone. Success without connection becomes another form of isolation. True prosperity lifts the community, not just the individual. And not every barrier stands outside our walls. Some of our greatest obstacles wear our faces. Gatekeepers, protectors of the system, silence is their currency. We've been boxed in by labels, by expectation, by design. Told who we are, who we can be, and how far we're allowed to go. These boxes were never ours. Cycles repeat until someone interrupts them, until someone breaks the pattern, until someone chooses a different future. We weren't created in brokenness. We come from brilliance, empire, innovation, mastery. They erased the memory, but the blood remembers. The price of avoiding truth is heavy. Some cages are built from steel, others from silence. Denial strengthens them both. The hardest truth to face is our own. Healing begins when we stop avoiding our reflection and confront what's been hiding inside us. Division weakens, unity transforms. We are strongest when we stand for each other, not against each other. Healing is generational, collective. It begins when we hold each other, honor each other, and rebuild what was broken together. To fix what was damaged, we must tear down the old foundations and build new ones. Correction requires courage and responsibility. Our future isn't written. The path is ours to choose. One step, one truth, one generation at a time. We walk forward together. This is our awakening, our unlearning, our reconstruction, a people rediscovering truth, reclaiming power, and choosing a different tomorrow.